In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create WorkAxis in Inventor Fusion. I'm picking up with the geometry that I left off in my previous tutorial about work planes. The first option is axis by cylinder or cone. Let's select this cylindrical face, and here's my axis. The next option is WorkAxis by two planes or a planar face. Here's my first planar face, and my second planar face, and here's my resulting axis. Let's bring back a couple of work planes. Try it again here. And here is my resulting axis. Let's create one more. My first plane, and my second planar face, and there's the resulting axis. As you see, the planar faces don't have to intersect. The next option is axis at pick point. So let's just select a point, and here is the resulting axis. The next is axis by 2 points. First point, second point. Next is axis by normal to plane at point. Here's the plane, and let's select a point, and here is the resulting axis. And the last option is axis by edge. Let's select the edge, and here's the axis. This concludes our tutorial about creating WorkAxis in Inventor Fusion.